The impact of automobiles on society is profound, significantly reducing travel time while enhancing personal experiences. This technological advancement has reshaped how people connect with diverse cultures and explore new locations. Soichiro Honda's journey commenced in a modest environment, driven by a fascination with mechanics that propelled him toward a career in engineering. His formative years in a blacksmith's family cultivated a passion for automobiles that would define his future. Honda's unwavering commitment to training young mechanics from underprivileged backgrounds demonstrates his dedication to community development. Many of these apprentices emerged as influential figures within the automotive industry, highlighting the impact of his mentorship. The initial success of Honda's invention of metal spokes showcased his innovative mindset, granting him the recognition essential for launching his career. This achievement laid a solid foundation for his future entrepreneurial endeavors. World War II presented significant challenges for Honda's early company, resulting in destruction and loss. This tumultuous period tested Honda's resilience, ultimately shaping his journey toward rebuilding and innovation. The experimental moped designed by Honda became a pivotal product, demonstrating how creativity can spark market demand. The interest from his friends marked a critical transition from a personal project to a lucrative commercial opportunity. The collaboration between Soichiro Honda and his partner, Fujisawa, proved crucial for managing operations and investments during the company's growth phase. Their combined strengths were instrumental in driving early success for the company. Honda's vision reached beyond local markets. He aspired to establish a global presence through racing. This strategic approach not only enhanced brand visibility but also showcased Honda's exceptional engineering capabilities. The release of iconic models like the Honda Super Cub significantly boosted production and sales figures. Its affordability and simplicity made it a beloved choice among consumers, cementing Honda's dominance in the market. Soichiro Honda's determination led to groundbreaking achievements, including victories in prestigious races that validated the superiority of Honda motorcycles over competitors. His fervent passion was a driving force behind the brand's remarkable success. The launch of the Honda Civic in 1973 marked a pivotal moment, as it thrived amid the oil crisis, demonstrating Honda's strategic risk-taking and adaptability in the market. Honda's expansion into robotics and luxury vehicles with the Acura division further solidified its status as a key player in the automotive industry, reflecting a relentless spirit of innovation. The introduction of the Honda NSX in 1991 epitomized Honda's commitment to innovation, featuring a fully aluminum body and cutting-edge engine technology that set a new benchmark in the supercar market. During the late 1990s, Honda expanded its operations internationally by opening factories in various countries. This strategic move aimed to increase production capacity and tap into emerging global markets. In response to market saturation, the company launched new recreational vehicles like the Odyssey and CR-V. These models became iconic, helping Honda reclaim its competitive edge in the automotive landscape. Honda's diverse product range includes garden equipment, outboard motors, and personal watercraft, illustrating its versatility beyond automotive manufacturing. This diversification began in 1986, marking a significant expansion of its business portfolio. The company's founder, Soichiro Honda, is celebrated for his humble lifestyle and practical approach to engineering, emphasizing real-world experience over formal education. His philosophy profoundly shaped Honda's corporate culture. Despite encountering political challenges and industry opposition, Honda's resilience propelled it to success as a leading automotive manufacturer. The company's legacy continues to influence modern engineering and business practices.